and welcome back to English with Teacher Karol. Today, we're going to learn English using something we all love: music. Music is a powerful tool to improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and even grammar. And today, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So, grab your headphones and let's get started. Music making learning English easier because it repeats words and phrases so you learn them naturally. It connects emotions with language, which helps you memorize. It improves your pronunciation because you practice rhythm and intonation. When you sing Let It Be by the Beatles, you practice the imperative form without even noticing. Here are 3 steps you can follow. Choose the right song. You should start with clear, slow songs, like Imagine by John Lennon or Someone Like You by Adele. Try to understand the meaning before singing. Repeat the same song many times until you can sing without looking at the lyrics. In the song Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, you'll hear, "The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go." Here you practice connections like isn't and vocabulary like lover. Now let's look at some common vocabulary and expressions we can see in songs. Let it go. It means relax or forget about it.
Let it go, let it go.
Hit the road means leave, go away. Stand by me means support me or stay close. When you sing, you're not only learning words, but you're also learning idioms that people use naturally in daily conversations. Now let's practice together. I'll give you a line from a song and you should try to guess the meaning. Don't stop believing. What does it mean? You are the sunshine of my life. What does it mean? Every little thing is gonna be all right. What does it mean? So remember, choose a song you love, read the lyrics, and sing along. Do it every day, and your English will improve faster than you think. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye!